Toi, ton premier match, enfin tes premiers matchs,
J'ai gagné contre Brix et j'ai gagné contre Shadow.
il a ragé, non?
Brix?
Non, Shadow.
Non. C'était plutôt moi qui étais salé pendant notre match, à vrai dire. So, here we are, CHEN Kops. Kops is a good Marth, a decent Marth, really. And CHEN has, as we just seen, a huge variety of characters, but Wolf remains one of his mains, if we could say. I think he mains Fox now on PM, but I couldn't be sure. Yep, that's the loot Pontoise. He didn't even put a tag, like Pontoise or Le Loup, something. Anyways, he has the advantage in that first stock, and forward smash concretizes it. Good grab, up tilt, up air. The forward smash doesn't hit. That's too bad. Good shield spike. That's just too bad. But he can come back. Good forward smash.
Oh no.
Only one stock away. Good multi-shine, good phase, good combo, 40%. Good blasters, good spacing overall. And those combos are really strong. Good get up attack, grab, forward tilt. That wasn't the best choice. Another grab. He almost had that read. Solid combo again from CHEN. He's doing blasters, but he's too close. Good down tilt. Good spacing move. Up throw, up tilt. Good spot dodge, and all that almost connected, but it's a stock lost. Good sweet spot. That fair is a powerful combo move, but the sweet spot is also a finisher. Good shines and blasters, just raising percent. Meteor smash to dash attack to back air. He has control of the stage. Good blasters, good moving around, but solid phase and the spike takes a stock. It can all change now. Fair into up air again. He also gets the balloon. Blasters. Good shield grab up air. Chain grabbing here. This could take the game. Oh, he fails. That's too bad. Down smash takes it. No DI. That's the first game, so CHEN's gonna ban 3 stages. Well, Kops could have won, but he did suicide at low percent at the beginning of the game. So he switched to Mario. Oh, if he didn't angulate that forward smash, it would have connected. Quite even in this beginning of second game, right after CHEN switching to Mario. This time the angulated to the top forward smash did hit, and that's a stock. That's a very small stage chosen. I guess Kops wanted to kill sooner.
Non! Putain!
Good phase from CHEN and nice read. and he gets the stock. 4-2, he taunts and gets punished. Punishment, forward smash, you're dead. So 3-2, but back air, up air, good pot dodge. Spacing a down smash here. Firebolts on the shield, but connects a good nair to down smash. Kind of a fox-like combo. Well, Kops is only finding CHEN's shield so far. Good wave dashes. Why that a B, I don't know. It's not Luigi. However, it does make percent. I don't know. Down smash. Firebolts again. Using the platform. It's a strong spacing tool. Crowd cancel down smash. Takes the stock. No DI again. Good crowd cancel, but grab would have been better there. And he's getting punished. Oh, CHEN just barely came back. Good forward smash. Oh, that back air just barely missed. Oh, I thought he was dead with the aerial dodge there. Oh, I thought that hit. Fair. Oh, neutral B hits. 2-1. Oof. I have a partner now.
Yay!
So that's 2-0 for CHEN, playing Wolf and Mario. We're gonna have